In 6 sizzling cities, citizen scientists are waking up, switching on, green designing the school run, their sensors talking to satellites. It's noisy today in the data streams. The observatories observe. Streets and parks are alive with climate action, people reclaiming their future by ecosystems mapping, their invisible lab coats flapping. 10 years from now, their data power will be flowering across continents. Future Athens, crumbling under a blowtorch sun, resprung by pocket parks, street adoption, friendship clubs, sharing easing climate tensions with Mannheim, Germany's city of inventions, where wise elders are uploading an oasis of oak, witch hazel, cherry into a living, writhing online encyclopedia of the earth. Then surfing southwest to Cascais, barrelling a heat wave, mapping hotspots under purple jacaranda trees, temperatures rising in the Portuguese streets to meet the scorched concrete of Utrecht, where vulnerable communities without private land luxuries are making clever public gardens for their families, transforming the heat islands of the Netherlands into cool, shady sanctuaries. Then flowing up the data stream to Riga, where the unbendable now bend, breathe clean Latvian air again, strike yoga poses by garden roses, paint a grey city green. Then west, over the steel streak of the North Sea, to the furthest edges of this weather front and the Scottish parks and green treks of Dundee, redesigned by local communities to hold the people with fierce dignity, like a seagull holds a chip. In just a decade, migrant choirs and men's sheds, citizen councils and shared veg beds, tree canopy habitat spiralling outwards across geomap neighbourhoods, connecting ecosystems to bee colonies, outdoor hospitals to a green space revolution. And then, on the nights of the full moon, people gather at pop-up story stadiums to watch reenactments of their city's forgotten legends, pausing to remember the lives they left. At first, unwilling, clinging to astroturf and loneliness like talisman, before they became citizen scientists, super sleuths of the streets, syncing sensors with sensors, so that the people who make policy can smell what they smell, burn like they burn. 6 green cities of the future, rooted in trust, togetherness, resilience, and the brilliance of the new inclusive local council meetings, which are centred around the coffee mugs, on the big round table by the picture window, where soft light falls on the red berries of a rowan tree, connecting us to the seasons, which teach us how to change, let go, die and be reborn, find each other in the climate storms that are coming, with a renewed sense of belonging and belief in a world changed for the better by Urban ReLeaf.